All right, that's it. I'm throwing down the gauntlet. I'm drawing a line in the sand. You've been dabbling in voiceover for long enough. You've been thinking about it, talking about it, dreaming about it. Maybe you've been told you got a great voice. Maybe you haven't, but you still love storytelling. If you are serious about turning voiceover into a true side hustle or a full-time business, I want you to quit thinking about it. Seriously, quit it right now, because I want to help you start doing voiceover. Ideas don't matter until you put them into action. My name is Joshua Nicholson, and I've been a professional voice talent for over 20 years, doing just about everything you can do in the world of voiceover, and I want to give you a free mini course called Quit Thinking About Voiceover. What is it that's been holding you back from genuinely giving voiceover a shot? Are you afraid your voice isn't good enough? Do you think the tech is too expensive or overwhelming? Are you intimidated by the idea of starting a small business? Quit Thinking About Voiceover tackles 3 of the biggest lies keeping loads of people from taking that first step on their voiceover journey. It's less than an hour of your time and packed full of fantastic information that will help you decide whether or not you want to make a real go of voiceover. Just go to quitthingingaboutvO.com right now and sign up. I'll see you there.